Welcome to MedMart.com. I'm David here, our president, and I'm here to go over the best travel mobility scooters and power wheelchairs in the world. Whether you're flying abroad, traveling across the country to Colorado, California, MedMart has the right power mobility or mobility scooter for you. And you have a lot of questions when you're going to be traveling. What scooters can I travel with? What batteries can I take with me? Should I bring a scooters? What folds? What's compact? What's lightweight? What are the specs? How much weight can it carry? So many questions you need to ask yourself, and that's what this video is about. Some of the best travel mobility scooters in the world are right here, and let's talk about them. The first scooter we want to talk about is the Buzzaround Carryon by Golden Technologies. Why is this good to travel with, you ask yourself? Because it easily folds. It's lightweight with a 300-pound capacity. Let's break into the specs. While we think this scooter is great for travel, we sell hundreds of these scooters because it easily just folds up and you can just take it away where you want to go and enjoy your vacation. Let's get into those specs now. The Buzzaround easily folds up. It has a travel range of 14 miles. That's really important when you're out there. Maybe you're at a museum and you need to get from start to finish. That gives you a lot of battery time. Not a lot of folding scooters have that range. Buzzaround has a 14-mile range and a 300-pound weight capacity. The product weight is 65.5 pounds. The Golden Cricket Easy will start your roll on the vacation. When you put in neutral, you can easily roll it wherever you want to go. This power wheelchair is so portable because almost its entire frame is made out of carbon fiber. I mean, you can feel how light it is. I can pick it up. It weighs an astonishing 33 pounds without the battery. You can take the battery inside and charge it by itself. It has a programmable joystick with the USB charger. You can plug your phone right up like that. And this chair just folds as ease. So it's light. It's got a lithium-ion battery that's travel safe. And even though it's light, it still folds. So can you imagine when something's compact and light? It's really easy to take on the go and on your travel. So you can enjoy your next vacation with the Golden Cricket. The weight capacity is 300 pounds, which is great for something that's so lightweight. It has a travel range of 9.3 miles. That's a lot of distance for a small little power wheelchair. So this little engine can go. We highly recommend it. We're selling them all day at MedMart. Call a product specialist, find out more about this, see if it's right for your next vacation. Maybe it's just a family reunion down at the shelter. Maybe you're just gonna get some buffalo punch with your friends. The Golden Cricket is the right power wheelchair for you and your family on the go. It's time to roll out on vacation. In Pride's fleet, the Jazzy Carbon folding power wheelchair unit. It is great for travel. It's great on the go. It's great taking out on the campground, getting through the airport. It's got a lithium-ion battery. It has a 300-pound weight capacity. It easily folds. It has two different battery versions, a 10A and a 20A, with a 14-mile range and a 20-mile range. So you can get where you're going and stay there. There's not too many power wheelchairs that are this light at 33 pounds that can also get you that distance. It's one of the best in the market. It folds really easily. Let's start our summer vacation, our spring vacation, wherever we need to go. Let's start our vacation today with ease, with light, with power portability. Everyone deserves a vacation. And with MedMart's mobility products, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Whether you pick from Pride Mobility's power wheelchairs and travel mobility or Golden Technologies, you can't go wrong. We have product experts standing by to take your phone call and help you find the right mobility device for your own individual needs. Whether you need something folding, carbon fiber, lightweight, maybe you need a lithium-ion battery. Most of all, call our experts so you know you can get to the beach in one piece. Thank you from MedMart.